you could see both of these lineups. DHA the a full toss delivery played with a straight bat. It's racing towards boundary. So first boundary with the bat of TM. Coming round this time, wanted to hit towards the square leg. A dot delivery. People don't enjoy dot delivery in tape ball cricket. Even nowadays, even if you are playing T20 cricket, people, they do criticize on you, isn't it, Falak? So far, very good over. Only one boundary conceded. Here we go. Is it the first maximum of the KTPL4? Yes, it is. Goes the mid-wicket boundary for the maximum. What a good shot that was.
Well, in the slot.
Statement from Falak Sher in the com box. Here we go. Another one. Yes, it is the same area and the same results. Another maximum.
Well, I tell you one thing, Asif. Whenever Taimur Mirza middles the ball, we are in business here in the commentary box.
Was it again and again. Is it the third one? Is it the third one? Yes, it is. So first hat-trick of the maximum in the first over of KTPL4.
Great awareness shown by Taimur Mirza. The last two deliveries were full and he was expecting a shorter one, and he has hit that all the way to the boundary to conclude that first over, an eventful first over. And have a look at that again. Short and bang. Over.
I think fast bowler. Here we go for the first delivery of the second over. Archie Butt hit that hard towards square leg area, and it's a boundary. So very good start.
I didn't get entirely out of the screws, but still.
Food, I could see smile on your face.
You can see the smile because Karachi's food not that bad either.
Here we go. It's another maximum. Look at that shot. Brilliant batting. It's the second delivery and another maximum. Number 4 of the match.
Well, asking for punishment was Qadir Kashmiri, the bowler on that occasion. Down the leg side, maybe a touch hard to control, and a little vetty outfield as well.
When we talk about this tape ball cricket, you won't find any seam there.
They don't have to grip the seam, but they have.
Cappuccino. Here we go. Oh, good delivery. This is what I'm asking about. Inside edge, racing towards boundary. A fielder is behind there. But do remember, it's wet, but very quick outfield. So far, a very, very good start for DHA the Bungs. Another very good delivery. A dot delivery in the end of the over. 2 gone, 38 for none. They're enjoying this match. DK is there, the owner of the DHA the Bungs. Good delivery, but with the straight bat, straight as an arrow. It's over the bowler's head for the maximum. What a shot that was.
Don't feel.
Telling to the bowler, bowling outside the off stump. It's up in the air, but safe, landed safely. Couple of runs more.
Well, Asif, you can't have fielders everywhere, though they had the luxury of having quite a few sweepers after the disappearing of the power play after the first 2 overs, but still.
Taimur Mirza not out on 30, just on 8 deliveries. There we go. Is it going? Oh no, dropped it. That was a straight one. That was a straight one. Dear, what you have done.
Oh my goodness gracious me, you gotta be kidding me. Your eyes should give credit to Zuhair Nasir and company for organizing such a great event.
Here we go, here we go. Yes, it's traveling and traveling outside the stadium for the maximum. Archie Butt is in action. He hit a couple of sixes and a boundary there. 20 on 7 deliveries. Oh, good delivery, very close to leg stumps. Misses some inches away. So last delivery of the third over. A very handsome start for DHA Dabangs. It's a good shot and into the gaps, racing towards boundary. Another very good shot from Arsalan Achi.
Well, everything both of these batters are touching is turning into goal. So 3 overs done. It's 59 for none, and it's time to change in the voice.
In 1.1 overs. This one is played away. I think that one got the inside edge of his bat and came down towards the final. Singles will not hurt the fielding side at all when it comes to trade ball cricket and when it comes to even 2020.
Go out of the park.
Yes, he learned quickly from the first over. It looks like the way he has bowled so far in this over. But there goes the batsman. He really picks the bombs out of it, and it's gone all the way.
A little change in the length and the ball goes out of the park. Absolutely brilliant by Arsalan.
That was a 6. And he goes again all along the carpet. Single.
A more better looking delivery by Kadir.
Taimur Mirza already has 33 of just 11 balls. He really had a go at that one but didn't make it. Good over has been ended from Kadir. 4 overs have been done and dusted. 69 for none. That one. And Taimur has gone after it. Fielder made a bit of fumble. Around the single has been taken. This one is going and has gone out of here. What a tremendous and a gigantic hit. Bent down a bit. Then gave that a real go. Good piece of bowling. He just got hit for 6 but then made a good comeback. No doubt about that. Yorkers still is the best weapon for the bowlers. And Pakistani bowlers have made their mark. Oh, here we go. Here we go. He picked out the man at the long on boundary. The one's first wicket just fell at the score of 81. And Ali is the one who got a wicket. Oh, he's got another one. He's got another one. Absolutely shocked him. Bat have to move too much. This one is going down towards the boundary. Oh, he did well. The fielder did well to stop that one with his boot. Asif trying to make a comeback because in first over he went for 24. Way outside the off stump. Other parts of the Karachi. This one is going. What a terrific shot. Hit that one through the line.
What a use of the wrist. And what a place that was to hit.
Taimur goes again. And result is the same. 6 more. No measures, half measures at all. This one is going towards the leg side. There is somebody protecting in the countrysides. And Taimur Mirza got his half century. Has to be a run out. No, it hasn't. Oh, they had a very good chance to make a 44. At least they are looking for a couple of runs, which they will get quite comfortably at the end. So they have ended their first innings at 103 for the loss of 2 wickets. Taimur Mirza stayed not out with 53, while Mustafa didn't face a single ball.
और महारत मौजूद है इन दोनों बैट्समैनों के पास। सामना करेंगे फहद आलम मियां चन्नू और उनका साथ देने के लिए क्रीज पर मौजूद हैं असद शाह।
का आगाज, पहली बॉल फुल टॉस लेग साइड पर, वाइड का इशारा अंपायर की जानिब से। यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रास करेंगे तो यकीनी तौर पर आपकी टीम को मुश्किलात होंगी।
इस पर दवा निकाल दिया है, देखना पड़ेगा। और एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर फील्डर मौजूद थे, जल्दी करनी पड़ी, तेजी के साथ एक रन मुकम्मल किया और थोड़ी सी मुश्किलात हुई लेकिन आसानी के साथ 2 रन हासिल कर लिए, जो हमने देखा फहद आलम मियां चन्नू के बल्ले से।
और इस बार खेले हैं फील्डर के सर के ऊपर से, गैप में 4 रन हासिल करेंगे यहाँ पर फहद।
2 गेंदों पर 8 रन बना चुकी है क्लिफ्टन पॉपुलर की टीम। इस मरतबा शानदार तरीके से उठा के खेल दिया है 6 रन के लिए। इनकी बैटिंग से लुत्फानंदोज होगी क्योंकि पहला छक्का लगा दिया है फहद आलम मियां चन्नू ने।
और एक मरतबा फिर लेग साइड पे सेम पोजीशन, इस बार गेंद दूर जाएगी 6 रन के लिए।
बिल्कुल 20 के पेटे में स्कोर दाखिल हो चुका है। इस मरतबा भी कोशिश की लेकिन कामयाब नहीं हो सके। ये अच्छी गेंद थी, यकीनी तौर पर मुकम्मल तौर पर बीट किया और मुस्कुराए फहद आलम मियां चन्नू क्योंकि ये क्रीज पर मौजूद हैं और अब तक कप्तान सामने नहीं आए हैं। ये फुल टॉस थी, इस मरतबा देखना पड़ेगा, बीमर और नो बॉल करार दे दी है। और अब कप्तान असद शाह आए हैं और फ्री हिट का सामना करेंगे तो सोने पर सुहागा होगा। ये सामना करना है वो भी फ्री हिट कप्तान असद शाह ने।
और जहां छोड़ कर गए थे पिछले सीजन, बस एक बाउंस 4 रन के लिए गेंद, तो बाउंड्री के साथ कह सकते हैं आगाज किया असद शाह ने इस टूर्नामेंट का।
उसी जानिब क्लिफ्टन पॉपुलर की टीम ने बनाने हैं।
इस मर्तबा गेंद रीच से थोड़ा सा दूर रही।
फहद आलम मियां चन्नू 2 छक्के लगा चुके हैं। इस मरतबा हिट लगाई लेकिन फील्डर ने गलती की है, गेंद स्क्वायर लेग की जानिब चली गई। देखना पड़ेगा, गेंद की रफ्तार थमी जरूर लेकिन इतनी नहीं कि बाउंड्री लाइन को पार कर पाती। गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन को पार कर गई।
इस बार टॉप एज, चांस ऑफ अ कैच और यहां पर ड्रॉप कर दिया है। एक आसान कैच।
किस्मत की देवी मेहरबान है शायद आज असद शाह पर।
असद शाह इस बार फ्री हिट का भरपूर फायदा उठाया, गेंद को सीधा बाउंड्री लाइन के ऊपर से बाहर 6 रन के लिए। फिर हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट, रिजल्ट सेम 6 रन।
यकीनी तौर पर अब भरपूर साथ देते हुए फहद आलम मियां चन्नू का असद शाह और अब तक 2 छक्के लगा चुके हैं।
इस बार 3 गेंदों पर बाउंड्री लगाई है यहाँ पर असद शाह ने। और एक मरतबा फिर बड़ा शॉट खेलना चाहते थे, गेंद थोड़ा सा बैठा
करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं।
एक मरतबा फिर लेग साइड पर गैप में खेला है, 4 रन हासिल करेंगे यहाँ पर असद शाह।
यकीनन बड़ा शानदार इख्तिताम हुआ इस ओवर का और इस चौके के साथ 50 रन भी मुकम्मल हो चुके हैं। तो 2 ओवर के खेल में 52 रन बना लिए हैं।
ऐसा फॉर्मेट देखने को मिलता नहीं है। पहली फहद मियां चन्नू, गेंद हवा में, फील्डर गेंद के नीचे, एक आसान कैच यहां पर लिया और फहद मियां चन्नू को अब पेविलियन की तरफ वापस जाना पड़ेगा। तो हो सकता है इस इनिंग्स में
हिट लगाई है इस मरतबा, यकीनी तौर पर पहली गेंद पर शानदार छक्का लगा दिया है हसन कदीर ने।
शानदार।
जो ट्रांसफर करना हो वो भी हो सकता है और भी बातें हो सकती हैं। ये गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से खासी बार चली गई और
अंदरूनी किनारा लगा। इस बार कनेक्ट किया शानदार तरीके से, गेंद हवा में, 6 रन के लिए।
दे रहा है दुरुस्त आए। इससे कबल गेंद खाली जरूर गई, लेकिन उसे अगली गेंद पर शानदार छक्का लगा दिया है हसन कदीर ने।
दिखने को फनी लगते हैं लेकिन वजह शोहरत होते हैं इन प्लेयर्स के लिए।
मुजम्मिल, जानना चाहूंगा कि अगर आपने भी टेप बॉल खेली है। टॉस गेंद थी, इस मरतबा धकेला है वाइडिश में डॉन की जानिब, गेंद चली गई 4 रन के लिए। फील्डर ने कोशिश जरूर की लेकिन कामयाब नहीं हो सके। बिल्कुल करीब से होती हुई बाउंड्री लाइन को पार कर गई। 4 रन मिले क्लिफ्टन पॉपुलर्स की टीम को।
कप्तान खुश, हसन कदीर खुश, और एक लो फुल टॉस पर कनेक्ट हुआ। फील्डर को वहां पर कोई मौका नहीं था।
Head towards square leg area. Is it a boundary? Yes, it's a very good shot. A short pitch delivery, picked up nicely.
So far on display is quite phenomenal. I'm thoroughly enjoying it so far.
Good delivery. So Qasim from T20 International to a KTPL, a tape ball cricket tournament. How you're feeling here?
So far here, 75 for 1, and it's going to be an interesting game.
Here we go. Is it a big shot? Yes, it's clearing the fence over the long off boundary for the maximum. What a shot that was.
Lovely shot. The best place to hit the ball on the ground is straight. Use the full face of the bat, and there's been plenty of that so far this evening. There's been quite a few straight sixes, and that's another one added on there.
A very good shot. A good backlift.
Conventional cricket shots.
Another one. It's high in the air. A man under it and dropped. It was a very simple catch. I don't like people, and especially when they drop these kind of simple catches. Strike 24, just on 7 deliveries. And this time, it's big. It's biggie. And now you pay the price and face the music.
The only person catching that is maybe somebody walking past the DHA Moin Khan Academy right now, because nobody's catching that in the ground. The distance these guys are striking these sixes is just phenomenal.
Wow, brilliant shot. It was an over-pitched delivery and timed beautifully. As you were saying that there's no need
to try and find the block call or change it up here a little bit. I think that's gone again. That's another huge one over mid-wicket. Wow! I certainly never played like this, K. Asif, when I played cricket. I could not hit the ball like that.
Wow, absolutely bamboozled by Hassan. He's
got to try and fight back, but bowling against Asad right now is going to be difficult.
Again, timed it nicely.
Oh, the fielder again is misfielded on the deep mid-wicket boundary. Should have saved that. Again, that's costly. And I really am coming to Pakistan, and to see the interest in tape ball cricket is, it's just remarkable. And now they're getting the opportunity to play in the big stage. Where's that one going? Straight down the ground. Oh, well fielded. Football skills this time. Left foot. Maybe that's the way to go, rather than using the hands.
Well, they're listening your criticism about the trail by 2 runs. Asad Shah is still there. They have 2 overs. It's a full toss and got the punishment. Don't bowl against Asad Shah.